Facebook Fundraiser is a tool that allows users to raise money for personal causes and non-profit organizations through the social media platform. When someone creates a fundraiser, the funds raised go to a linked bank account that is set up by the organizer of the fundraiser. Facebook does not charge any fees for the use of the fundraiser tool, but payment processing fees may apply depending on the location of the organization receiving the funds. To receive payouts from Facebook Fundraiser, the fundraiser organizer must connect a valid bank account to their Facebook account. Once a donation is made, it will take 2 to 5 business days for the funds to be deposited into the linked bank account. Facebook will send email notifications throughout the donation process, including when a donation is received and when the payout is being processed. For non-profit organizations, Facebook fundraiser payouts can be sent through a direct deposit or check. Facebook also provides organizations with the option to receive donations outside of the platform, which can then be added to their Facebook fundraiser.